Within the quick start page for Kafka, if I scroll down, you can see that we can create a topic. So they have a script for it. And in here, so we can basically read events. So have a look. It says open another terminal session and run this command. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this command. So let's just take this command, Command C, and open up my terminal. And at this point, I need to open up a new shell. So Shift Command D and CD into downloads and then Kafka. There we go. Now I'm going to paste this command, and before I run it, so let's just have a look. So here we just run the script, passing some arguments, but the topic here, have a look, the topic is quick start events. Now our topic is called Amigos code. So let's just change this to Amigos code, and I want to read from the beginning. And also I'm passing the Bootstrap server, which is localhost 9092. Now, if I press enter, we should get, have a look. So before I did have a few things inside, but we have hello and then Kafka. So this is really nice. So if I open up IntelliJ and collapse this, and let's just say, for example, a smiley face in here and restart. Let me go back as soon as possible, and there we go. So you can see that we are reading from the Amigos code topic, which is really nice. Now obviously Kafka handles lots amounts of data. So if I was to go back to IntelliJ, and let me just cancel here for a second, or hide, my bad. And what I want to do is in here, so let's just say, for example, for I, and I want to loop, let's say 10,000 times. So this is nothing, but you could loop more than this if you want, but I'm going to paste this inside, and here I'm going to say plus, and then I. If I reload and then go back, we should see, oh, have a look. So this was really quick, right? So basically with no time, it just read everything from the topic, right? So we produced 10,000 events, and you saw that it took no time. Now let's try a million, for example. So here, let me just hide this. And from 10,000, I'm going to say 1 million. So I want 1 million here. So this is 10 million. Oh, actually, let's try 10 million and see what happens. So let's just reload, go back, and have a look how it's processing everything. So you can see it's basically handling all of this with no trouble. And this is basically the power of Kafka that you are seeing in here. So eventually it will finish. Just give it a second. And boom, have a look. So 1 million records processed without no issues. So hopefully now you can start to see the power of Kafka. Next, let's go ahead and build the consumer code within our Java application.